In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove dots on iPhone screen. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and if you're seeing those small moving dots on your screen, that usually comes from a feature called vehicle motion cues, and we're going to turn that off. So first I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. Once I'm inside settings, I'm scrolling down until I find accessibility. This is where Apple places features that adjust how your iPhone looks and behaves for different user needs. Now I'm tapping on accessibility and I'm going to scroll through the options until I see show vehicle motion cues. This feature is designed to help reduce motion sickness by adding visual indicators on the screen, which is why you're seeing those dots. Alright, I found it, so I'm tapping on show vehicle motion cues. Now I'm inside the setting and I can see the option that controls it. At this point I'm switching it from on to off. As soon as I do that, the dots on the screen should disappear immediately. I like to pause here because this feature can sometimes be turned on accidentally, especially after updates or if someone was exploring accessibility settings. While it's helpful for some users, it can be confusing if you don't know what it does. Once it's turned off, you can go back to your home screen and confirm that the dots are no longer there. Everything should look normal again without those moving indicators. And that's it. You opened settings, went into accessibility, found show vehicle motion cues, and turned it off. Now your iPhone screen is clear and back to its usual look.